Hello people that are watching, welcome back to my channel. It's Sabrina. If you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe bar below. Make sure to share this with your friends and also comment down below what you want to see next. Basically, I've been off of YouTube for a while and haven't posted anything because life, you know. But seriously, my mental health due to COVID and my life in general has been a fat 0. Not that any of you are concerned. The title of this video, as you can already tell, is
Suck.
Me getting ready to go nowhere. Because I have no ideas. I had no idea. Yeah, I have no ideas for YouTube and I really need help. I've tried asking people on my Instagram and other social media platforms, but they just don't like to respond. So I'm sorry if you're one of those people and you're watching this, but I don't bite. I won't include your name or anything in the video if that's what you're worried about. But I just need some help with some ideas. So if any of you are kind enough to do that, please comment down below. I would love to hear some of your requests.
I need somebody.
Wing. Okay. Okay. Bye. So I made a calendar and happy 2021 everyone. I forgot to say that in the intro. You know, it's a new year. Hopefully things will go better this year. We're all praying for that. But yeah, just have hope everyone. Don't doubt yourself and think that nothing will ever happen, no good will come out of this year, because maybe it will. You never know what can happen. There's so many possibilities. Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. If I can like zoom in there. That's the calendar. The picture above it is from The Goonies. If you guys haven't seen that movie, you should go watch it. It is spectacular. Let's get to the makeup. So I have nothing on my face right now. I've got a lot more scrunchies now. See, I never had a lot of scrunchies. I only had like just this one, and this is so old. But I've had it for a long time, and I mean it still works. It's great. That's all my scrunchies. So chic. We're just gonna put some concealer on for now. See how that works. I don't think I'm gonna wear foundation. Now that's all warmed up.
Oh no.
I don't think that really helped. Now I am going over that with some powder. I'm not going anywhere special, so whatever. I'm gonna do the brows. So I don't know what I just did. Okay, I'm going for this blue here. So now we're gonna get on to mascara, and I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, so I did my lashes, and I'm gonna wait for the mascara to dry a little bit, and then I'm gonna go ahead and recurl them. Meanwhile, we are going to get to some blush. I'm going to do the lips. EOS. I got a new one, by the way. It smells like caramel and it smells so good. Hey, going well with the eyeshadow here. I'm glad I picked blue because why not? It's January. And just take some neutral red. So I got this like new lipstick. And ooh la la. Okay, so let's get to the hair and outfit. So this is my outfit. I got my cargo pants on. Let's get on to the wig. I don't know what I'm really doing for that, but I was gonna like curl my hair and stuff and then do the wig, but no, it's okay. So I'll show you the wig. Here it is. This is the wig. A full-on bald look. You get to live wow. Wow. I hate it. Like, I hate this so much. I hate the top of it, how it just looks so unnatural. I don't know, what do you guys think? Should I go blonde? This isn't even blonde, it's like gray, bro. It's like gray. Oh. Okay. Cute. So that is my look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let me know what else you guys want me to do, because I will try to do it. And please stay safe, please wash your hands, and respect the regulations that are going on in the world. Yeah, and continue to watch YouTube, because YouTube is free and it is awesome. So bye guys, I will see you in the next video. Okay, peace out, peace out, peace out, peace out.